Welcome back guys to another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to customize your Windows 10 taskbar. So let's get started. To customize your taskbar, go to Settings, Personalization and Taskbar, or right-click your taskbar and click Taskbar Settings. When you're in the Taskbar tab in Personalization, this is all the things you can customize on your taskbar. You can lock the taskbar so you can make sure that you can't pull it to the other sides of the screen. Automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. If you have a 2-in-1 convertible laptop or a tablet that runs Windows, you can make sure that the taskbar hides in desktop mode. Automatically hide taskbar in tablet mode. Again, if you have a 2-in-1 computer, tablet, if you enable this, if you go to tablet or pull out the detachable keyboard, it will enable tablet mode and thus hide the taskbar. You can use small taskbar buttons, which makes everything smaller. Use peek to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to the Show Desktop button at the end of the taskbar. By default, if you use your mouse cursor and hover over the bottom right-hand side corner of your taskbar, nothing will happen. But if you enable this, it will peek through the desktop, and if you move, it will go back. You can still do this, but you have to click by default. Show badges on taskbar buttons. Badges are like notifications. You'll have a little red on top of something like an application to tell you that there's a notification. Taskbar location on screen. You can have the taskbar on the bottom, right, top, and left. I will stick my taskbar to the bottom. Combine taskbar buttons. Taskbar buttons are like applications. For example, I will open Microsoft Edge. As you can see, they are combined, which means they don't show any information. They just show that the application is open. To have a bigger application that tells information, go here and click Never. As you can see, you have full settings, and for Microsoft Edge, it tells you you have a new tab in Profile 1. If this goes full, it will continue having this massive part of the Never combined taskbar buttons. If you want, when the taskbar is full, it can combine itself. When the taskbar is full, it will combine. I will stick to Always Hide Labels. Scrolling down, you have Notification area, which for notifications, so you can select which icons appear on the taskbar. Turn system icons on or off. For multiple displays, since I don't have multiple displays hooked up to this virtual machine, I cannot show you. Show taskbar on all displays. You can enable or disable. So if you have 2 or 3 monitors and this is your main monitor, you can select Show taskbar on all displays, so taskbar will be visible on all your external displays. Show taskbar buttons on all taskbars. Combine buttons on other taskbars. This is for other taskbars where you can set as Never Combine, Always Hide Labels, or you can set it to when the taskbar is full. Underneath that, we have People. Show contacts on the taskbar. You can have contacts on your taskbar. If you click it, it will show your contacts. Since I don't have my email for this computer hooked up, it won't show me anything. You can disable or enable. You can choose how many contacts, so you can have 3 or you can have 1 through 10. By default, it will be select 3. Show more people, my people notifications. So there will be notifications for my people. Play a sound when my people notifications arrive. So when a notification from my people arrives, there will be a sound. Show my people apps suggestions. It will show suggestions. I will disable that. Last thing you can customize about the taskbar is really something that you should customize. Right-click your taskbar. You'll get this menu. For the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, this is for the taskbar. Search, which is your search box. You can have a search box, a search icon, or it could be hidden. I'll keep that on search box. You can show Cortana, so it will show the Cortana button, or hide it. It is currently showing. I'll keep that show. Show task view button. It is right here. It will show what you have did in the past 1 month or so. To hide it, right-click and click Show Task View button. To bring it back, right-click and click Show Task View button. Right-click, you'll see Show People on the taskbar, which is the same thing you can do in settings, just that you don't have the full customizability. I'll disable that. Right-click, you can have Show Windows Ink Workspace button, which will just have this button on your taskbar, Windows Ink Workspace. You can have whiteboard or full screen snip. Right-click, you can have Show Touch Keyboard button, where if you click the button, it will bring up a digital keyboard that you can type on. This is recommended for 2-in-1 computers/laptops. I'll disable that. That's all for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.